Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Another cooking edition of Cooking with Talessia's Kitchen. And I am making steak, potato, and Brussels sprouts. Before we get into this, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share so other people can get their notifications. But let's get into this. First off, put your oven on 375. Now, y'all already know I already be seasoning my meat. I done showed y'all how to season meat. But I will leave the link below to show you how to season some meat. This is just a steak I got. What part of the steak is this? I don't even know. But whatever. I seasoned my steak already, so I'm put that to the side. But what we want to get together first is our potato. So we're going to rinse our potato off and come back. Okay, we have our potato. So we're going to just pour a little olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, you can use butter or you can use cooking grease or Crisco grease. It don't matter what you coat it in, but you need to coat it in something like that. So we're just going to pour a little bit of that over there. I gotta get my gloves because I don't have this on. So you're gonna sprinkle some salt. So we're gonna take that salt and the olive oil and just coat this over the whole potato. Just pick some of that up. Okay. Get you a knife, just poke some holes in it. Just go in just a little bit of the tip. But the purpose of the grease and stuff, it fries it in. It cooks it faster. So I'm gonna go ahead. Put this on a little sheet and put it in the oven, and we'll be back with our next step. Okay, I have my seasonings. I'm gonna set these to the side. Y'all know I would name them. So we're gonna cut our breast off. You cut off the base of it, the bottom part, and then you just cut straight down the middle to where they look like this. Okay, I have them all cut up, as you can see. Now I'm about to go rinse these off and come right back. Okay. All right, let's do this. Now, you can find vegetable seasonings in the store, but this is just one I got. I believe this came from BJ's. It's by Wesley's Organic Vegetable Blend. And we're just going to sprinkle a little bit of these seasonings in here. That's the vegetable blend. Onion powder, black pepper, slap your mama, and like I said, we just adding a little bit in here. Mrs. Dash, because I don't have that much. Complete seasoning. Seasoning salt. Accent, garlic powder. Well, I need to start saying granulated powder, granulated garlic, because I don't like the powder, I like the granulate. My little pack of Sazon, just sprinkle a little bit in there. This is just a packet I be having open that I don't be using all of. We are going to drizzle some olive oil. Go ahead, just mix this all together. Because you want this to be flavorful. Like, I hate tasting dull, because to me, Brussels sprouts is nothing but baby cabbage. So you want to season this as if you are seasoning some cabbage. Okay, we're gonna let this sit for about 30 minutes, and then we're gonna come back because our steak is not gonna take that long. It depends on how you eat your steak, medium, well, rare, however. But I'm gonna show you a different technique of how I'm about to do mine. But that's in the next step. My mother had creamer on the top of this thing. Now it done spilled everywhere. Look at this. Look at this mess I have to clean up. Oh my God. Okay, we are back. Let's grab our Brussels sprouts. You're going to put these in the skillet. Then we're going to put some water in here, but I want all that seasoning off here, so I'm going to fill it up. Not fill it up, but put some water in. Pour some water in here. You want them to be covered. So you want the Brussels sprouts to be covered in water. Just like that. Go ahead and add some butter. Probably like a little half. And we're going to turn these on. And we're going to let this cook all the way down. Because once I'm boiling it like this so it can kind of cook fast. But by that oil that's in it, it's going to really suck up the water. So once the water is almost gone out of it, that's when we add a little bit more olive oil to make it like a little crunch on there. But you just do this like this and let this sit. For the steak, we are going to pan sear it first. So how you pan sear it, get you some olive oil and just coat the skillet. You want to let this get real hot. So, okay, the grease is hot. I don't know if you can see it or not. I'm going to turn it down just a little bit. And we are going to sear it on both sides. Just do this for about 3 minutes on each side. Go ahead and flip it over. I'm going to add some minced garlic in here. Just put a little bit like that on top. Because ain't nothing like a good garlic. So you can really turn this off. You're going to put like a half a stick of butter in there. I like a lot of butter. And I'm just going to put the butter on top. Give me some aluminum foil. If you like your steak rare, this is the time you can eat it, but I don't. But I like mine to get a little like medium well. So I'm going to cover this and place it in the oven. So go ahead and place this in the oven. This is on high. Let this cook all the way down. As you can see, they have cooked down. I'm just going to drizzle a little bit more olive oil. This is just going to put the crunch on it because I want mine kind of crunchy. So you see there's ain't but a little bit more water left. I'm going to turn these all the way down so they can like fry. Not fry, but you know what I'm saying, get crunchy on that side. Okay, as you can see, it's kind of cooking down. So I'm just turning it to brown it on the other side. Because now I'm just really browning these. They're already done for my tasting. Yeah, now I'm just browning it. They're coming back when it's almost ready. Okay, they're kind of getting a crunch on it the way I want it. See? Now this is optional if you don't want like a little crunch onto yours. You can take it out when it's done. But that's how I like it. So I got the little crunch on it I want. I'm gonna just take this out and put it in the oven for like 15 more minutes. That's it. I just want my extra crunch. That's it. About 15 more minutes, put it in the oven, and then we will be back because our potato and our steak is almost done. Okay, let's get all this together. First, let me get my potato together. Now, you can put on your potato whatever in the world you want to put on yours. I'm going to show you what I put on mine. Look how piping hot that is. So I always, let me get a load up. I always just break it down in the middle like this. I didn't mean to break it like that, but hey, it's okay. This is a baked potato. Is the corner of a tattoo. So I'm gonna put me some seasoning salt, some black pepper, and some garlic powder. I put a little extra garlic powder in there because I love garlic powder. I'm gonna put me some butter. Yes. And now I'm just going to mix this all together. This is a baked potato.
My daughter.
I don't even need all this potato.
House last night. Late and
I'm gonna take.
She's missing.
I don't need all that.
That's your hand. So
I'm gonna top it off with some cheese. Put this in the microwave for 30 seconds. Give me some sour cream. I hate eating a potato without sour cream. I gotta have my sour cream. And the potato ain't a potato if you don't put no ranch on it, honey. Yes, drizzle this. Look at our steak, you guys. Look at that. Just pour that juice over.
Because they want like a different position.
Then place our fat, juicy steak. Brussels sprouts. Look at this. Hold on. Well, you guys, look at this. Let's cut into this steak. And I ain't eating no steak if it ain't. I'm gonna start back. I need another one. I'm gonna start having steak sauce in my purse because like these steak houses, they don't be having A1 because they had most of the nicer ones, they had a own sauce and it be nasty. I'll show y'all how to eat.
that's Zoe's idea. It's part of the garage. We spent so much time down there messing with Vespa. She suggested we live up here. Joke has become a reality a great person expects. Did he go out on it last night?
It is so tender.
Vespa.
Now,
It's not here. How did you drop out?
I like mine's medium well.
Official version.
Sometimes I like a little pink in it, but not that much. Like, I'm really a well done steak eater, but if you're like that be tough, no, you gotta cook it a certain way. Let's get
That's trains. We should check these times, find which slower.
let's get these Brussels sprouts.
So what's home? It could be Chris. Chris?
No, it's me.
Mm.
Sorry.
They are so good.
Yeah, sorry, I just had a few.
Let's see what this potato is hitting for. This potato hot. That oil was frying straight through there.
Wow.
When you're doing a potato, I would prefer you to use cooking grease. Cooking grease be way better, and it don't take that long. Versus olive oil, just my opinion.
Maybe Gemma just never really forgave me.
Well, baby, this is what I cooked for Sunday. Let me know what y'all cook for Sunday. Okay, and you gotta have your water. Let me know what y'all cooked, and I'm about to smash this food. I don't like people chewing with their mouth open. Hold on. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. But comment down below. Tell me what y'all cooked this Sunday. Tell me how y'all make y'all steak. This is just one way how I make a steak. The pan-seared way, because the fat on it be tasting so good. But let me know how y'all make y'all Brussels sprouts or y'all potatoes. But thank you for tuning in with me, Talessia's Kitchen. And like I said, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and share. Until we meet again, and until I fix something else.
Have you seen this girl? Excuse me? You seen this girl? Sorry, look around here today, yesterday.